How to add email ID in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or update your email ID in Snapchat step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, in the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as email. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the email section, there you can simply tap on the email box section and enter your email here. And now here, once you're done entering the email, you can simply tap on the save button, and after that, the verification link will be sent to your email. So there you just have to open your inbox and tap on the link, and after that your email will be added successfully to your Snapchat account. And that's it. That's how you can add your email ID on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.